In recent developments, the Canadian government has issued a commendable statement urging the Nigerian government to address its ethnic and intertribal issues through peaceful means. This call for resolution highlights the importance of harmony and cooperation across communities and reinforces Canada's commitment to promoting peaceful solutions to conflicts. For the people where they go report to Canada. Now here is a clarification on Amaka Sunnberger. Amaka Sunnberger, a Canadian-based Igbo activist, has recently clarified the situation surrounding her interaction with Toronto police. Contrary to the widespread reports, she was neither arrested nor detained. Rather, she was invited for a discussion following a report filed by the Nigerian government. That is, when you hear Nigerian government, Abike Dabiri filed it. So, during her meeting with the authorities, Amaka presented compelling video evidence of the threats faced by the Igbo community from individuals associated with the Benin and Yoruba communities. After reviewing the evidence, Canadian police determined that no further action was necessary and allowed her to go without any charges or further questioning. Now, the Canadian intervention in this matter underscores a crucial point. The Nigerian government must address its internal ethnic and tribal tensions through non-violent means, encouraging all parties to seek amicable solutions. Reflects a desire for enduring peace and stability. It is vital that all ethnic groups in Nigeria, including the Igbos, are treated equitably and that their concerns are addressed with the seriousness they deserve. Now, in rounding up, however, it is critical to recognize a troubling inconsistency in how these issues are handled. The Igbo community has long faced threats and challenges, often with little to no intervention from authorities. Yet, when Amaka Sunnberger, representing the Igbo perspective, took a stand and brought her concerns to light, there was a swift reaction from the Nigerian government. This discrepancy highlights a concerning double standard that undermines the principle of fairness and justice. Nigeria must address these double standards and ensure that all communities receive fair and equal treatment. Journeying progress towards peace requires that every group's grievances be acknowledged and acted upon with equal seriousness. As Canada continues to advocate for peaceful resolution, it is crucial for Nigeria to reflect on these values and strive towards a more balanced and just approach in resolving ethnic and intertribal issues. Have you heard it? They want to chop Amaka Sunnberger raw. And it was like the first time an Igbo person is returning back the fire. Igbos have been insulted and threatened. You had the Kingsley who was threatening Igbos from Edo. And why Amaka Sunnberger returned fire? Thank God, Canadian authorities, they know how to handle things. They are not like the ones we have here. They know themselves. They know how to handle things. They looked into the matter. Amaka Sunnberger was not arrested. Note, she was never arrested. She was invited. And when she clarified everything, she gave them the video, what prompted her response. They said, go and you people should go and settle your internal tribal issues. If the government has been doing their work, if the government has been warning, cautioning all of those people threatening the Igbos, giving them stern warning, there will be no need for Amaka to reply because the government would have dealt with them. But the government allowed it. When it comes to Amaka's turn, Amaka represented the Igbo perspective. One dead authority in Nigeria, the authority of the diaspora authority that is almost not existing. They remembered, oh, a Nigerian diaspora threatened Yoruba and Ede. At the end of the day, what happened? The Igbo man have sense. They are not behaving like some primitive African countries. They have sense. And they have dealt with the matter the way they are supposed to deal with it. Just like lawyer Barrister Omilobo said, begin to call on the people who started these things. It started somewhere. Address them. The guy called Adeyinka grandson has been threatening the Igbos. Nigerian government did not make any move. It was people in UK that reported. No move was made by Nigerian government because it was a threat against the Igbos. Now, somebody returned fire. We don't condone all of this, but you have to root it out totally. Your judgment has to be balanced. You don't have to wait until Igbo returns fire. You remember that, oh, there is infighting. They want to chop her raw. Thank God for governments that are matured. They dealt with the matter properly. Anyway, let me close it here. Share this video widely as you see it. Make sure you subscribe.